Hello friends, in today's class I'll be discussing about Advanced Excel, and in this part we will be discussing about how fast we can create split sheets. The data can be divided into as many numbers as we want, and that too in few seconds, not even minutes. Now this data which I'm showing is of IPL data and from year 2008 to 2024. It shows different players, those who have played from 2008 to 2024, number of matches batted, and as you can see there are 1132 rows and total number of sales are 28,000. So that's a huge data. Now in this data shows year wise, all years, players who have played IPL, number of matches they have played, the number of sixes, wicket keepers, those who have done stumping, bowlers, those who have bowled, those how many wickets they have taken, number of sixes, and all this different data we have. But imagine if we want this data into a different format. That means this sheet is showing 8 to 24. If I want this data in, let's say, year wise data, I want different sheet, separate sheet of 2008, I want separate sheet of 2009, 10 and till 24. Then what to do? What are the different methods that we can divide the sheet, or we can split the sheets? Or let's say I want sheet player wise. I want Ruturaj Gaikwad, let's say how many matches he have played in which year and the number of runs he has scored and so on. So what if you want, so let's say this is one, like if I am searching 24, I have to first make all 24 highlight, or maybe I'll go for filter, I'll make the filter rule. So these are the different methods, or you can say traditional methods, which we can do to divide this, to make our data into a different presentable format. And in reality, in corporate life or maybe in some office, we need a separate data as per our requirement, and that actually consumes time. Now today I have created a small button which will help even if you are PhD scholars, if you are working in office, corporate office, and whether you are working in any other environment. If you are working with big data, this particular shortcut button will help you to create data sheet as per your requirement. So let's say I want this data into year wise. So this is traditional method. I'll select 2008. So all 2008 comes, but this is in the same sheet. I have to copy this and will paste into the sheet another one. But this is very traditional and time consuming method. For 2009 I have to deselect 8 and select 2009. For 2010 I'll select 2010 and 2009 and I'll copy this 2010 data and I have to paste in a different sheet. But this will take time and that too, sheet name I have to write again and again. So this will take little time. This is just 17-18 years IPL data, but imagine if you have 1000 companies, 100 companies, and your office require to create data of company wise data, that means 1000 companies. So how many times you have to make filter? 1000 times, right? You have to name this company 1000 sheets company name, so it will again take a lot of time, almost 2-3 hours or maybe more than that it will be consumed. So this is a small shortcut button which I've created. I'll show you. Just by clicking this, your data will be formatted as per your need and the sheet will be named as per your requirement. So let me show you. I'll just click the button which is called, I have tailor made this by code, and this will prompt the sheet will be divided into different by what, and we have to select header. I want year, so I'm selecting year as header. and this is called $1 $A $1. The moment when I click OK, within 5 seconds all 18 years sheet will be created. When you blink your eyes, the sheet will be here. It will prompt they will ask, you want year wise, and you have to select yes. You want original data, and yes, we need our original data. We want to split the data, but original should be there. Look at this, all years data are here. So there are 18 different sheets created. Original is already there, and year wise data is already here. So see, 2023, the number of players, those who have played matches, not outs, runs scored, 22, how many players were there, how many runs they have scored, their strike rate, everything. So entire data, original IPL data is there, and this is giving you option to split this as per your requirement. So this is our requirement of year wise: 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, and so on. Now let us say I want to show my original data into a different format, right, rather than year wise. Suppose if I want to convert, or if I want sheet based on, let's say, number of fours, number of half centuries, maybe centuries, matches bowled as per bowler wise, anything. So it will just again create within 5 seconds, entire seconds. Look at this, the sheet name is also created. So this is what, let's say I'm selecting balls, or maybe runs conceded, matches bowled. Let's say stumping, we'll go for stumping. So I want how many stumping wicketkeeper has made. So from 0 to 6, maximum 6 stumpings are there. I want to see 0 stumping were made in how many, which years, and by whom. 1 stumping made by which wicketkeeper, and 2 or 3, and so on. So again, I'll click on this. I'll select header as stumping. I want to split the data as per stumping. I'll click OK, yes, and yes. The moment I'll click yes, and let's see, all this data, 7 categories have been created from 0 to 6. And look at this, the player name are all wicket keepers, those who have done stumping: Ruturaj Gaikwad, MS Dhoni, Ishan Kishan, Quinton de Kock, Rishabh Pant, and all are wicket keepers. So data are correct. So 1 stumping, 5 stumping, 4 stumping, and this is called, let's say, number of stumpings are 2 are done. 2013 MS Dhoni have made 2 stumping in match number 19. Right, so this is 2022-24. Dhoni has made he has played 2 matches with 0 stumping. 2024 he has played 14 matches with 0 stumping, and so on. So this is how quick, in AI mode, or maybe in this today's fast world, we need data in a quicker mode or faster mode. So this is how you can learn. If you want to learn more, or if you want to purchase this, you can contact me. My email ID is available on this my YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching this video. For more advanced Excel tools, you can follow this, and I'm going to upload some more advanced Excel tools. Thank you so much. Thank you.